everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be preparing taco birria. I will be putting that name up on the screen because I just cannot say the taco name for nothing. My Spanish is very terrible. I have a Spanish husband, but we don't talk Spanish that frequently, so I'm gonna put it up on the screen. But it's that very popular tacos that everybody is trying out and eating, and I decided to give it my own take on how to make it. So first I washed and seasoned my meat, and I added garlic and onion in a crock pot, and to me this is the easiest way instead of doing it on a stovetop. But I know a lot of people in Belize cook pan fire hot, so if you have a good fire heart, go ahead and boil it on that for 8 hours, and I get that the fire heart flavor would be very, very good in this as well. So this is the name up on the screen here that it's called. It's that very cheesy red dipping sauce, consomme sauce thing that I see everywhere, and my mouth just was calling for it. My belly and everything was just calling for it, so I decided to give it my own twist, use my own stuff that I had in my kitchen. And so anyways, while that's in the crock pot, I got tomatoes, onion, and if you want more garlic, like if you like a lot of garlic, then go ahead and add more garlic to this seasoning thing here. This part is the gravy part that we're gonna use later on to boil the beef and kind of get that gravy going for the consomme, the dipping sauce part for the tacos. So the water that I'm using in here is the same water from the beef, and you're gonna see that I added more water. Depends on how much gravy you want or how much dipping sauce you want. That's how much water you add in your pot. Because also we're gonna be dipping our tortillas. We're gonna be taking some of that gravy out of our pot, and we're gonna be using that gravy to dip our tortillas and fry them later on. So you want enough gravy to be able to have enough to dip your tortillas in and to be able to boil down for your consomme, the dipping sauce for your taco. So here I'm gonna fry up my beef meat because I never fried it before I put it in the crock pot, and so I'm gonna fry it now. And you're just gonna fry this up so that you give your oil and stuff a nice good flavor, and your beef meat a good flavor. So however long you prefer, probably I fried this about 5 to 8 minutes after it was thoroughly heated and it was frying really well. You might want to fry this on low heat so that it doesn't burn. That you want that brown taste, but you don't want it to burn. And we have a saying in Belize, if it's not bun, it's not done. But it's not gonna taste good if it gets all burnt. So anyways, so we're gonna fry that up, and then now after that's fried, we're gonna strain our gravy, our dipping sauce thing that we just blended in our blender. And this gives your sauce a very smooth texture. I did it already before, similar sauce, and it didn't have a smooth texture to it, and I just never really liked it. So but this way it gives it a really nice smooth texture. You're gonna see that some of my beef meat was left in my pot after I drained out my beef meat, and to me that gives it a thicker, your consomme, your dipping sauce, that gives it a thicker feel, a richness to it. So anyways, you're gonna clean off the top. There's like some stuff, I guess it's from the meat, that comes up on top, and you're gonna scoop that out and get that all clean, because you don't want your sauce to have that stuff on it, not at all. So anyways, you're gonna clean off that meat, and then after you're done, after this is boiling, you feel like all your season is fully incorporated into each other, they're thoroughly in love, you're gonna drain your meat out of the gravy here, and then you're gonna take out about, maybe depends on how many tacos you're doing, excuse me, you're gonna take out maybe 3 cups of water, gravy, to dip your tortillas in. So yeah, meanwhile that's boiling, I boil it for maybe about 10 minutes, and then I worked on my cilantro and my onion thing. We're not gonna add any salt or vinegar or anything like that to it. We're just gonna slice it really thin, and this is to add into your tacos while you're frying it. After you're done that, then your meat should be really boiling and about finished. So like you're gonna see here, I took out some of the gravy to dip, and you want to put it in like a nice pot or stainless steel dish. Be careful, it's really hot, and you want to give it enough space so that you could dip your tortillas in, because when I was doing them, I was doing the video, I did just 3, but when I was serving it for my family, I did maybe 6 of them at the same time, and depends on how big your tortillas. I would really recommend using bigger tortillas. Like I got someone to make my tortillas, it's just a regular, like our neighbors here make them to sell, and I would recommend maybe getting them a little bit bigger. These were really small, and so stuff was falling out everywhere. But this tacos is messy to eat, messy to put together, but it's so delicious. Oh my goodness, just watching this video right now makes me so hungry. I was telling my husband that every time I make food videos and I edit them, I get so hungry and want to eat whatever I'm making again. So I don't know, we have to give this another try. So here I put oil on a pan, dip my tortillas in, and just let that fry on one side. Then you flip them over and you fry them on that side. This step is very, very important, to fry your tortillas and dip it in that gravy. That is I feel like that's a secret to the whole tacos thing. It just gives it a whole nother flavor, and it's just really good. And keep adding, like you see that I added some gravy, keep adding gravy and stuff, because that gravy, once it's fried on that tortilla, it gives it such a good flavor. And so here we're making the quesadillas tacos, and I did one without the cheese, so just a regular beef taco. And just by doing this frying part, making that onion and meat and cheese, everything just coming together on that pan, it's just really, really good. It's just really nice. It's not because I made it. In our family we like to say, oh, it's just because you make it, but it's not because I made it. And if you guys want to, there's certainly gonna be more videos underneath my one or on top of my one that you could check out for ideas and recipes how to do this tacos as well. But I would be really thrilled if you guys would subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below in the comment section. That really helps my channel to boost out to lots more people that would probably like to watch more in, not really in depth, but you know, not that high class kind of cooking, home cooking style videos. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for being a part of my family on here on YouTube. And you guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe weekend. And if you do try these tacos out, let me know down below how they turned out. And remember, you cook in your kitchen how it's easiest, and use your ingredients that you have, and anything can be tasty. Even just plain corn tortillas and salt is very delicious. So you guys have fun in your kitchen, and we will talk to you guys next time. Bye.